You threw the bunch of time in your prime, didn't you? People call and say, beware though, you're bound to fall. You thought they were all kidding you. You used to laugh about everybody that was hanging out. Now you don't talk so loud. Now you don't seem so proud about having to be scrounging your next meal. How does it feel? How does it feel to be without a home, like a complete unknown, like a rolling stone? Ah, you've gone to the finest school, alright, Miss Lonely, but you know you only used to get used to it. And nobody has ever taught you how to live on the street, and now you find you're gonna have to get used to it. You said you never compromise with the mystery tramp, but now you realize he's not selling any alibis. As you stare into the vacuum of his eyes and say, do you want